Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with Me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
We have two packages. Let's put them up here. Two packages. And let me open the one I'm most excited about first. So it's from Amazon, as you can see. Yes. And always remember to remove your information from your packages. Always remember to hang on here. I need to tell you what these are. All right, so I didn't even welcome the segment. I didn't even welcome you to the segment. I'm so sorry. Bear with me, beautiful people. It's me, Coach Racquel, and this is, of course, episode 27, and we're in the segment Unbox Solutions with Me. So welcome back to another episode of this podcast and this segment, Unbox Solutions with Me, where we unwrap, hang on here. Yeah, where we unwrap more than just products. We unwrap purpose, peace, and possibilities. More importantly, we unbox, unwrap, unpack solutions for daily living, right? So today's lineup, two simple, powerful finds, a little shine for your hand and a little smooth for your skin. Let's unbox something bold, something beautiful, and something that just works. So first up, we have the Richsteel Map of Africa rings. So first, we're removing our information from the package. Okay, here we go. The Richsteel Map of Africa. Ta-da! Yes, the Richsteel Map of Africa. Available in sleek black. That's the one I chose. Black stainless steel for radiant. Or they also have it in the radiant 18 karat gold plated finish. They also, I think, have it in silver finish as well. These aren't just accessories, they're conversation starters. Each ring is shaped like the continent itself, not exaggerated, not overdone. Not overdone, just clean, powerful symbolism. I bought it because of the Africa. It's the shape of Africa. And I want a little bit of Africa on me, in me, around me. Yeah, just clean, powerful symbolism. A tribute to our roots, our strength, and our style. Crafted from premium 316L stainless steel. It's hypoallergenic, resistant to tarnish, and polished to last. Just like the legacy, and we'll see as I wear it. It just like the legacy it represents. Whether you're in jeans, a suit, or Ankara print, this ring completes the look without begging for attention. It's a statement piece, but more than that, it's a connection for him, her, or anyone who wants to carry Africa close, literally wrapped around your hand. It says, "I remember where I come from," and if you're gifting it, it's perfect for for birthdays, anniversaries, or that I see your greatness moment. Strength, connection, pride, all in one piece of stainless art. Let's open the box. Okay. Cute box. Ah, look at that. I need to see. Yeah, nice. Okay, so we have a bag. Ooh, hang on. And then there's a manual. Well done. Okay. I don't mind promoting people's stuff, like sharing, their information. All right, hang on here. So it's in a little bag. There it is. There it is. And this is the ring size for this one is 9. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, baby. It is so cute. So cute. Hang on. Oh, hang on. Where is it gonna? Where am I gonna put it? Aye. Uh-huh. 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 It fits. Let me see if I can put it on the other one. All right, so let's hang on. Woo, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Let's put this over here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. It is so cute. Look at that. So cute. So cute. Now, final package. Final package. So this one is item. So next, a solution for the fearless self-care tribe. Let's remove our information again. This one was easier because I did it better. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Yeah, the wax strips kit for women, designed for sensitive skin because beauty should never feel like punishment. These strips use low temperature technology. There we go. Low temperature technology, no heat, no fuss, just warm it between your hands for 30 seconds. Press and pull. Yes, even the stubborn 2mm rebels don't stand a chance. I think 2mm rebels. I don't know if that's what it means, but it's a 2mm. What I love most, or this is one of the reviews from it. What I love most is the gentleness infused with soothing oils. Each strip comes with, hang on here, calming wipes. It's that remove residue and pamper your skin with post glow. It's the salon experience minus the awkward conversation and the price tag. Face, lips, legs, or wherever your glow up begins. This kit covers it all. Trims to shape, wax in peace, and step out fearless because self-care is power care. I like that. Self-care is power care. Wax strips, okay? Yeah. So 2 products, 2 moods, empowerment and ease. A ring that celebrates my heritage and a waxing kit that celebrates my skin. Both say I value me. That's it for today's unboxing solutions with me. Tell me, which one did you really, really like? This one or this one? Which one do you see yourself actually using or getting? Drop your thoughts at mycoachministry.com or tag me on socials at mycoachministry. And just before we close, let's go to our tip for the day. So today's unboxing tip is a consumer scam tip. Too good to be true, tech and jewelry deals. So this is evidence-backed, all right? So the warning here is recent data from the U.S. Federal Trade Commission, FTC 2024, shows that online purchase scams now account for nearly 44% of all reported fraud losses, with fake brand websites and counterfeit jewelry ads leading the surge. Okay? These scams often mimic legitimate retailers using stolen product photos and short-term ad campaigns on social media. The catch: the items never arrive, or you receive a low quality knockoff. Now, spot the red flags. Backed by FTC and Better Business Bureau data. So here's how a few ways you can spot the red flags. One, the prices are like 60 to 80% lower than average retail. Classic counterfeit pattern. No physical address or customer service line listed on the website. Reviews limited to social media comments, not verifiable marketplaces. Payment only via peer-to-peer apps, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo. No buyer protection. New or recently registered domain names, check out for those, less than 6 months old. So here is my rule of thumb. So this is the Coach Racquel rule of thumb. Yes. Before you click buy, Google the brand name, plus add the word scam to reveal hidden reports. Use a credit card, not a direct pay app. It offers chargeback protection. Save screenshots of the product and confirmation page. They're digital receipts in case of fraud. Also, I even say save screenshots of the website. And if you can get a video of it, even better. Even better. So here's the takeaway. Not every shine is genuine gold, and not every sleek website sells what it shows. Smart customers verify before they buy, because empowerment isn't just about what you unbox. It's about what you don't fall for. So let's be wise in our shopping, and let's be wise in our shopping, and just remember that even with all of these things, use your instinct. Use your instinct. Get information, but also trust your gut and get your instinct. If you feel funny, move away. Move away. It's not a loss. If it's meant for you, it will come to you. It will come to you. All right. So I just want to say, please drop your thoughts at mycoachministry.com or tag me on socials at mycoachministry. Until next time, stay grounded. Until next time, stay grounded. Stay glowing, and remember, every solution you unbox is another step forward toward the best version of you, and also towards quality of life, because that's why we shop. We're not shopping just because we want to show somebody something. Our shopping experience is for us. It's not for anybody else. We're not shopping to show someone we've got something. No, we shop because of the added value for ourselves as it pertains to a healthy mind and a healthy life. Positive life, positive mind, positive vibe. Okay? All right. So thank you so much for staying with me so far here on Unbox Solutions with me, episode 27. Now we're going on to our next segment. Stay with me.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.
Welcome to mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations.